Variables that affect. If we are taking the example of the small school in which the teachers and the students are familiar with one another, they know each other, what are the variables that are going to affect the school culture and the students' learning and achievement? This could be levels of openness because there are few people, so people can be more frank with one another. They have more chance to interact and therefore they become more friendly and they are more frank with one another. So they can frankly discuss about their problems. They do not hesitate to talk to one another because they are not strangers. So this is one of the variable which happens when the school is small and people know each other, that they are more friendly and more frank and they do not feel shy to talk about their problems. Trust. That is another factor which happens when the school is small and the teachers are friendly with the students and the students know their teachers and they have a feeling that they can trust their teachers because they have had similar experiences in which they were able to trust their teachers and get their problem solved. So, because of the friendliness and frankness of the teachers and the students, there is a lot of trust which is built up in their relationship. Cooperation. Because everybody knows everybody, so everybody wants to have a good relationship and everybody wants to have a good reputation and a good image because they all know each other. And that is a human trait that when we know people, we want to behave the best in front of them. So, due to that, everybody tries to cooperate with the other person. So, the teachers also cooperate, the students also cooperate, and therefore, because of the cooperation, the output is learning and achieving is taking place. Atmosphere and other culture climate variables that can directly or indirectly affect the student's achievement. So, what is happening? Levels of openness, trust, cooperation, the atmosphere is positive, the culture is very encouraging, the climate variables that the environment of the school, all the variables are very smooth and helpful towards the learning process because everything is taking place due to the familiarity and the relationship, the bond that is there because of being familiar to one another. They are not strangers, they know each other's problems, they know their family backgrounds and how things are happening in the families, how the parents are involved or not involved, whatever the case is, what are the requirements of the students and how to make them learn and achieve their goals. So all these things together are forming a climate of positivity. There is a lot of positive environment in the school and the culture is to know each other, to expect all openness, frankness, friendliness and trust and cooperation. And thereby everything is taking place smoothly.